Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a short video on how to convert decimal number to binary number. In general, to convert decimal number to binary number system, we will just take number modulo base of target number system. So for example, in this case, it is 2. Then we write down the remainder. Then we divide number by base and repeat this process until the number is greater than 0. And once number becomes 0, we write down the remainder result in reverse order. So in this example, we can see that input number is 22. So to convert it into binary number, first we will do 22 modulo 2, that will give us 0. And then we divide the number by 2, so we will get 11. Similarly, now we do 11 modulo 2, that will give us 1. And now we divide the number by 2, which will give us 5, because we do the integer division. Then we do 5 modulo 2, again we will get 1. Then we divide 5 by 2 and get 2. Then we do 2 modulo 2, that will give us 0. Then we divide 2 by 2, we will get 1. And then 1 modulo 2 gives us 1. And finally, we will do 1 by 2, which will give us 0. Because of this, our conversion is complete. So we will now write the results in the reverse order. That is, the last digit we got will be written leftmost. So it will be 10110. So that's how we convert decimal number to binary number system. And I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Have a nice time. Thank you.